Today we're learning the chords to Mind by the Talking Heads. Let's get into it. So the chords to this song can be kind of hard to pick out from the recording for a few reasons. The first reason is that the recording itself is in one of those in-between tunings, which means that if you're playing along to it on an instrument that's tuned to 440, standard tuning, which you probably are, then it's out of tune, and it's going to sound wrong. The second reason is that a lot of these chords don't have the root note of the chord in the bass line. But we're going to break it all down. Here's the three parts of the song. This is the first part. Time won't change you. Money won't change you. It's just a D chord, inverted as F sharp A D, with an A in the bass. And then the second part just does this a few times. That's a B flat chord, inverted as F B flat D, going to an F chord in root position. Then the next part, that's 3 G minors, then G minor, E flat major, inverted, C major, inverted, and D major, also inverted. Then the next part, the chorus, I need something to change your mind. That's just an A minor chord, B minor, A minor, G major. I need something to change your mind. And that's the only three parts of the song. It just cycles through these parts until the song ends.